Hey, darling. So here we are. It's winter break, and you're looking at this and you're thinking, wow, your teacher's mighty festive for the beautiful colors. And as you read down and you say, wow, there's a lot of work to be done here, you take pause and you remember that we don't need to see any of this until sometime in January. So it's all good, but you will be working on it periodically. Then you read about the camera ready problems and you say, yes, I shall do that. And then you read about the IXL and you're thinking, do I love IXL? If you're one of the people who really likes it and you like that immediate feedback, keep watching. So you're thinking you want to practice a little bit of this stuff online because you really, really like to get answers immediately corrected. You don't have to check it. You don't have to do a whole lot of, you just put it in the computer. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to go to IXL like you have done so many times before. So here we go, we sign in like we're supposed to. Let's see if they have. Okay, so we sign in. This is my sign in. I sign in and I'm going to choose this one because, that's how I'm rolling. Okay, so I sign in and then I look and I see learning, diagnostic, analytics. And if I want to do some learning, I'm going to click on learning and then I'm going to go over to skill plans. Click on skill plans and you will see textbooks that assign problems based on like what chapter you're in your textbook. And you're not going to see your textbook, but you will see Glencoe High School Math Algebra 1, which is the future version of your textbook. Yes, I know your textbook's really old, but it's okay. It's online and it's free, and that's what we like. So we're going to use this to help us get through our assignment. So we're going to click on this particular icon and yeah, we're going to click on this particular icon and, or this one. We're going to click on Algebra 1. It's going to be fine. And then they say skill plans for this, blah, blah, blah. And you know we're in Chapter 5, but we're going to click on Chapter 4 because the new version has put Chapter 5 in place of Chapter 4 after moving some things around. So we come down here, we click on 4, and then you see all the stuff that we're talking about. Slope-intercept form of a line, slope-intercept form, and graphing an equation, slope-intercept form, write an equation of a line. All this stuff you're working with in your chapters. In fact, they're almost named exactly the same, except we have our 5-7 is this section. We don't talk about this in our chapter, and I don't mind that. We'll talk about that when we come back. But this is like 5-7, this is like 5-6, and all of this is stuff that you should be able to do as you move through the chapter. And so if you like IXL and you're like, I totally want to know what I know, or I want to really practice and I want to understand a little bit better, this would be great. You can go through and you can click on one of these guys and you'll answer questions like this. Find the y-intercept of the following equation, simplify your answer. And once you've done the section where we talk about y-intercept, this will be a no-brainer because the y-intercept is 0. You'll click on submit and you'll feel awesome knowing that you are totally, knowing if you've got it right or wrong. So if you feel like doing some extra practice, you want to bone up on your skills, this is a great way to do it. All right? Listen, guys, I can't wait to see you. Let's talk. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll happily help you. Take care. Bye-bye.